Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Huawei Watch GT 5 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. The Huawei Watch GT 5 boasts a premium stainless steel build with a stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED display and a battery life that can last up to 2 weeks. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE brings the power of Wear OS, access to the Google Play Store, and seamless Android integration, making it a feature-packed smartwatch. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two smartwatches and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with design and build quality. The Huawei Watch GT 5 is available in two sizes, with the 46mm version featuring a bold and premium stainless steel case, giving it a high-end feel. Its 1.43-inch AMOLED display offers smooth visuals with a 60Hz refresh rate, ensuring a vibrant and fluid experience. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE comes in two sizes, 40 and 44mm, with a lightweight aluminum build. Samsung's Super AMOLED display is bright and colorful, with sizes of 1.2 inches for the 40mm model and 1.4 inches for the 44mm version. Both watches are 5 ATM water resistant, making them safe for swimming. The Galaxy Watch FE also includes a touch bezel for navigation, whereas the Huawei Watch GT 5 sticks to a touchscreen and physical buttons. If you prefer a more premium feel with a larger display, the Huawei Watch GT 5 takes the win. But if you want a lighter watch with a sleek design and a touch-sensitive bezel, the Galaxy Watch FE is a solid choice. Moving on to software and app support, this is where the Galaxy Watch FE clearly pulls ahead. The Huawei Watch GT 5 runs on Harmony OS, which is smooth and efficient, but lacks major third-party apps like WhatsApp, Google Maps, and Gmail. While it includes essential apps like music playback, GPS, and health tracking, its ecosystem is quite limited. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch FE runs on Wear OS 4, with Samsung's One UI Watch 5, offering access to the Google Play Store. That means you can install apps like Google Maps, YouTube Music, and even WhatsApp, making it a far more functional smartwatch. If you want deep Android integration, app support, and more smart features, the Galaxy Watch FE is the better choice. But if you prefer a straightforward smartwatch with a focus on efficiency and long battery life, the Huawei Watch GT 5 still holds its own. When it comes to health and fitness tracking, both watches bring solid features, but with different strengths. The Huawei Watch GT 5 includes heart rate tracking, SpO2 monitoring, skin temperature tracking, and ECG like arrhythmia detection. It also has dual-band GPS, which provides extremely accurate location tracking, making it a top choice for outdoor runners. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch FE offers heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, ECG, blood pressure monitoring, and body composition analysis, thanks to Samsung's advanced bioactive sensor. This makes it a better option for those looking for more comprehensive health insights. If you need advanced health features like ECG and body composition tracking, the Galaxy Watch FE is the way to go. But if you're an outdoor athlete who values GPS accuracy, the Huawei Watch GT 5 has the edge. In terms of connectivity and smart features, the Galaxy Watch FE takes another win. Both watches support Bluetooth calling and have built-in microphones and speakers, but the GT 5's NFC is not widely enabled for contactless payments outside of China. On the flip side, the Galaxy Watch FE fully supports Samsung Pay, allowing for seamless NFC transactions. Additionally, the GT 5's dual-band GPS is fantastic for precise location tracking, but the Galaxy Watch FE integrates better with Android, supporting Google Assistant and Google Wallet. If you rely on NFC payments and want the best smart features, the Galaxy Watch FE is the better option. But if GPS tracking is your priority, the GT 5 still holds an advantage. Battery life is a huge deciding factor, and this is where the Huawei Watch GT 5 absolutely dominates. It lasts up to 14 days with typical use and around 7 to 10 days with heavy use. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch FE offers just 1 or 1.5 days of battery life, meaning you'll need to charge it daily if you use it actively. If you're someone who doesn't want to worry about charging your watch constantly, The Huawei Watch GT5 is the clear winner here. But if you prioritize having a more feature-packed smartwatch and don't mind charging every night, the Galaxy Watch FE is still a strong contender. As for my final verdict, the Huawei Watch GT5 is a top-tier smartwatch that checks a lot of boxes. With its premium stainless steel design, long battery life, and excellent fitness tracking, it's perfect for those who want a watch that lasts and delivers reliable health monitoring. But it lacks advanced smart features like app support and NFC payments. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE is the better choice if you want deep Android integration, access to the Google Play Store, and a more connected smartwatch experience. Just be prepared to charge it daily. So, which one fits your lifestyle better? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.